decided to make a wireless charger for my Taycan. Obviously, if you guys have a Taycan, you know that this is just a pain to deal with. Plugging in back here and getting your phone in there. So I created this Qi charger. I saw another design out there that I thought was pretty slick, but I still like the idea of having to be able to use the cup holder if I needed to. So what I did was I bought some ABS plastic off Amazon. It was an 1/8 inch thick. And I bought this Qi2 charger, which is a vent mount charger. And I also didn't want the wire to be seen. So I got a 90-degree USB-C adapter. So the way it works is like this. If I wanted to unplug it, I could just unplug the cable here and remove this all together and still have function of the cup holder. And then on the back, I just drilled a 1/2 inch hole and used a Romex connector you find in your electrical department at Lowe's. So that's it. It's pretty slick. I really like it. If anybody needs one and doesn't have the tools, drop me a note and maybe I can make a few for you.